If you've done a bunch of work to get the word out so folks will come to your website on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, you sent emails, you've posted on social media, you've called your aunt and your grandma, you want to make sure that all of that hard work doesn't go to waste and that your sales will go through the roof. In this video, we're going to share 10 ways you can optimize and tweak your website to increase your sales on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Let's get into it. Hello creators, I'm Ben Tolson from Podia, where we empower creators like you to make a living doing what you love. In a previous video, we shared 7 marketing tips to help raise awareness for your Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals and get people to come to your website in the first place. In this video, we're going to give you 10 ways you can increase sales once they make it there. Before we continue, if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button to get weekly video content geared toward helping online creators succeed. Here we go. Number 1, use deep but strategic discounts. It's no secret that people love discounts, and offering a deep discount like 50 to 70% off is shown to increase the overall number of sales and customer acquisitions when used strategically. A deep discount is really compelling, but if you keep your product discounted indefinitely or sell too many products at the discounted price, you could potentially be undermining the purpose of discounting in the first place. Here's where a couple of strategies work really well. Offer the discount for a limited time. This method uses urgency, in this case, a limited amount of time, as a motivator for customers to take action and make a purchase. You could even stair-step the discount to reward those who buy earliest in the campaign and offer 70% off for the first 24 hours, then 50% off for the following 24 hours, or something like that. If your product demands some of your time, like a virtual training or consultation session, you can offer the discount to a limited number of people. For example, you could say 70% off for the first 25 customers, and then you could also stair-step this and offer it for 50% off for the next 15 customers. This way you get the benefit of attracting customers with a compelling deal while controlling how much or how long you'll offer that discount. Number 2, optimize your site for mobile. Nowadays, most web builders have built-in responsive designs that make your website look good whether you're on desktop or mobile. Still, you want to be sure that the experience your customer has on the mobile version of your site is as seamless as possible. In 2019, nearly half of all Black Friday purchases were made on mobile, so it's worth it to view your site on mobile. Look for any glaring issues that might create friction in the buying experience, and then make any changes you can or have your web developer fix it. Number 3, check your site's performance. Believe it or not, how quickly your site loads can have an impact on whether or not you make a sale. If your website loads too slowly or tends to slow down when you have an influx of visitors, it may be worth taking some steps to speed up your website. First, you can check the speed of your website with a web page speed test. If you search that term, there are a number of options available that allow you to test a specific page and set variables like browsers and devices. The ideal load time is 2 seconds or less. If your website is slower than that, here are a few things you could do. Optimize your images. You can load your website's images into a service like tinypng.com and then replace those images on your website. Consider upgrading your hosting. Most people run their websites on shared hosting because it's a more affordable option, but it can result in slower loading speeds. Upgrading to a VPS or dedicated server can give your website more computing resources, which means more speed. Install a cache plugin. If you host your site on WordPress, you can install a plugin like WP Rocket or W3 Total Cache, which improves the way web browsers handle your files and helps your site load faster. Number 4, optimize your sales page. One of the biggest factors in whether or not people buy is your sales page. Having the right elements in the right place and in the right order can make a huge difference. In this video, we go deep into the process of building an effective sales page, but here's a quick rundown of some of the most effective tips. Have a purchase section right at the top of your page for people who are ready to buy and don't want to scroll. Make your discounts or deals obvious. Write your sales copy at a 6th to 8th grade reading level. Provide social proof like testimonials or reviews. Offer some kind of risk reduction like a money-back guarantee or a trial period. Using some or all of these techniques on your sales page can have a significant impact on the success of your Black Friday or Cyber Monday sale. Number 5, offer referral rewards. Even if you have customers who have already purchased your product, that doesn't mean they can't play a role in helping you get more sales. Use some kind of incentive like a prize giveaway, a free gift, or store credit to turn your customers into ambassadors. It's likely that your customers are connected with at least a few people who could benefit from your product. People like the feeling of sharing something helpful or valuable with others, and getting a reward on top of that is like icing on the cake. Number 6, run hourly flash sales. If you have multiple products, consider doing flash sales throughout the day. A flash sale can be set up by letting folks know ahead of time that every hour or at some regular interval, there's going to be a new item on sale from your store. You can add suspense by keeping it a surprise. This will keep people coming back to your website throughout the day and can increase the chances that they'll purchase one or more products from you. This can be a lot of fun and makes the sales process exciting for everyone. Number 7, offer a free add-on with a minimum purchase. If you have a less expensive product, or you can make something small but valuable like a checklist or PDF guide, consider offering it as an add-on with a minimum purchase. You can use this strategically alongside your other deals to incentivize people to spend a little bit more than they might have otherwise. People often shop for deals with a specific product in mind, but not necessarily a specific budget. If the add-on is valuable enough, some customers won't blink at adding an extra $10, $20, or even $50 to their purchase. Number 8, donate a percentage of your sales. We mentioned this method in the previous video, but if letting folks know about your partnership with a charity is effective at bringing people to your website, it can also be effective at getting them to buy once they get there. Don't be afraid to make it clear on your sales page that a portion of your sales is going to a charity or organization. Making this information more prominent shows a level of transparency, can increase the overall amount you're able to donate, and makes your customers feel good about purchasing from you. Number 9, offer discounted product bundles. If you don't already bundle your products, this can be a great way to give your customers more value at a discounted price. If you have products that complement each other but you normally sell them separately, a Black Friday or Cyber Monday sale can be a great opportunity to combine those products and make your offer even more compelling. For example, if you sell a beginner's course teaching the basics of running a small business, you could bundle it with an intermediate course that builds on the first one. Customers who normally would have only purchased the beginner's course might be excited to purchase both at a discount because they feel good about setting themselves up for future success. Number 10, do it live. If you've got the energy and the equipment, you could run your sale like a QVC commercial. Yes, folks, here we have a lovely ebook. This is the Complete Vegan Italian Thanksgiving ebook by Pasta Based, run by Matt and Steph from Colorado. They are recipe creators, photographers, and foodies. And I'll tell you what, folks, this ebook looks so tasty, I could eat it. Live events can be a lot of fun and can make customers a part of the selling action. You could combine this with some of the previous techniques, and you don't even need to be live all day. You could go live at different intervals throughout the day, like every hour or every 3 hours or something like that. People enjoy the energy of live events, and this can be a great way to make buying your products even more exciting and compelling. Well, that's it for this list. I hope you found some of these techniques useful and that you have a wildly successful Black Friday or Cyber Monday on your site. Are there any sales techniques we missed? Leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and you want more content like this, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be sure not to miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.